We all want clean water. But clear water isn't always safe. Harmful viruses and bacteria may still be present. Even if your tap water looks clean, it may still carry hidden risks. Old plumbing, private wells, and extreme weather can all introduce harmful microorganisms into your water supply. To ensure safe water throughout your entire home, here is the solution. Let us introduce Watersprint Core and welcome you to a new era of safe water. Watersprint Core is our most advanced UVC LED water disinfection system. Installed at your home's water inlet, it delivers microbially safe water to every tap, shower, and appliance. If you rely on a private well or simply want added protection from uncertain municipal water, Watersprint Core gives you a compact, high-performance solution that's built for peace of mind. The powerful UVC LEDs are instantly activated inside the disinfection chamber when water flow is detected by the flow sensor. There is no warm-up time. Disinfection begins the moment water starts to flow. The water is exposed to UVC light, a proven method for destroying the DNA of viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. Watersprint Core deactivates viruses, bacteria, and other harmful pathogens, ensuring years of hassle-free, reliable water disinfection for your home. Watersprint Core offers several advantages, such as robust and compact design, instant activation without warm-up time, energy efficient since the LEDs are only active when water is flowing, minimal maintenance since no yearly lamp replacements are needed, mercury-free UVC LEDs that are easy to handle. Watersprint Core is ready for installation at the water inlet to provide microbially safe water throughout your home. This next-generation system is built to last, delivering many years of worry-free performance and safe water for everyday living. Microbially safe drinkable water, clean, fresh laundry, hygienic disinfected water in your bathroom. Designed and produced in Sweden, it's the next generation water disinfection system for your entire home. Safe water for life at home, engineered for your peace of mind.